Imagine, if you will, having a loyalty point system similar to any popular chatbot's loyalty points reward systems, where you earn loyalty points by idling in your favorite streamer's chat by the minute and being an active participant of chat. You are able to make it rain on buffoons spamming chat or tip anyone in chat that you appreciate. Not just the streamer, with your hard-earned loyalty points. But now, those same loyalty points are not strictly bound to one chat. No. Now you can earn and send loyalty points from a universal balance, whether you earn them in Channel A, Channel B, or Channel Z. All the same balance. Not only that, those same loyalty points can be spent buying skins in games and the ability to farm more loyalty points within those games. And you're still contributing to the same universal balance. Imagine your loyalty points also worked across multiple platforms such as Twitch, Discord, Twitter, Reddit, and any other platform with an open API. Now replace loyalty points with Bitcoin, a real cryptocurrency.